everyone, it's Storm and I'm back with the how-to tutorial. So today we're going to be fleeking our eyebrows. And I'm just going to grab this little palette for Burlington and start filling it in. You feel me? I know it looks slow and everything. But yeah. So as you see, I'm starting at the end because I don't got no eyebrows, okay? I gotta create what's not there. So if you are eyebrowless and you're doing your eyebrows, you might want to follow me. No, don't follow me. Follow me. Just kidding. But yeah, as you can see, now I have an arch. And I can work it in from there. Okay, now back to these whoop-de-doo eyebrows, honey. So I'm just going to continue filling it in. And yeah, I do this like with barely any product on there, and I slightly put it in my eyebrows. You feel me? Okay, so when your eyebrows are where you want them to be or how you want them to look, just find your little brush, get your brush and brush them to, give it a little natural looking fade. And with the other eyebrow, we're going to use the same thing. And we're going to do the exact same thing and start off at our peak and basically at our arch. I say peak because I have no arch. But anyways, we're going to draw one. Yeah, I said it. And fill it in and fleek it. When I say fleek it, that means draw that line at the end, but just flick it at the end so you're not getting a square type of look. And slightly fill in the beginning of the brow and brush. The brush is the key, y'all. Y'all need the brush. You need the brush for this look. Okay. Now that is done, I'm just going to go back and fill in any gaps and make it dark. I want it dark. And of course, I'm trying to make sure they both looking right. Make sure they even up. Yes, sis. So as you can see, I'm rotating back and forth. And now I'm finna get my Anastasia's palette. It was upside down, but I didn't know. Oop. And I'm going to start to conceal them. I start off with the bottom first. So I do my bottom line and get it all aligned. Period, poo. I have to get the camera ready for y'all. And after that, I'm just like, I barely put any product on the brush because you don't need a lot of product to conceal, So yeah, I just go very close, very, very, very close, and I fleek it. Okay, and now as you can see, I'm blending it in. I'm just dabbing it a little. Notice how my concealer goes to the middle of my forehead, and now I'm connecting it to the middle of my forehead, giving myself a concealer unibrow. But guess what I'm also doing? I'm aligning my eyebrows at the same time, so I ain't got Kunta Kinte on one side and Beyonce on the other. You feel me? So just make sure you guys keep that in mind when you're concealing your eyebrows. And now I can add more concealer in and blend it. Period, boo. Okay, now I'm back and I'm better. Now I'm going to get the top of my eyebrows going. I'm going to conceal. A lot of you guys are scared to do this because you don't want to wipe too much off. But honey, you can go back and the same way you filled in your eyebrows, just fill in what you concealed off. Girl, get them fleeky. Don't be scared. And as you can see, I'm going closer and closer. Now that's it right there. Period. Poo. Yes, fleek 'em, sis. Fleek 'em. And yes, honey, I am not playing. I'm coming to slay, child. Now, with that being said, I'm just gonna touch it up. Whatever you don't like, fix it with that concealer. Yeah, that way. Oh, I was not playing with this eyebrow, y'all. Anyways, blend it into your forehead. Blend that shit all the way in, sis. So when you do your foundation, it's not a white line. And of course, do the other eyebrow. Y'all got it. Like and subscribe, and thank you so much for coming to see me. Period, poo.